हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, एज यू ऑल नो दैट दिस इज़ माय फर्स्ट वीडियो राइट। और हम हैं कॉमर्स के स्टूडेंट्स। तो पहले बात किसके करने की? पैसों की। किसकी बात? पैसों की। ठीक है। सो व्हाट आई एम टेलिंग यू इन दिस वीडियो इज हाउ मच कॉस्ट यू हैव टू इनकर फॉर अ CA कोर्स, whole structure, right? So first of all, after giving your 12th exam, you need to appear for a first level, that is CA foundation. For this you need to give registration fees which is of rupees 9800. Then for appearing for exam you need to incur rupees 1500. Okay, if you want to take coaching classes then maximum fees which is charged is rupees 30,000. And the next level you have to appear for CA intermediate course, in which your registration fees, if you appear or if you register only for a single group, then it is rupees 13,000, and for second group it is 11,000. But if you appear for both group at a time or register for a both group at a time, it is rupees 18,000. Okay, now for appearing in examination you have to pay 1500 each for each group. But if you apply for both the group, then you have to pay rupees 2700. Now if we talk about your coaching classes, that maximum fees which is charged by all the institutes approx is this 75,000. Okay, now after appearing for your intermediate course, intermediate examination, you have to appear for two training. First is your IT training and it is almost 6,500 है ना. It is for 15 days. Then you have to appear for your orientation course. Its charges is 7,000 and it is also for 15 days. Without doing these courses you can't register for your articleship. So please pay this in your mind. So please place this in your mind that you have to appear for these training before going for your articleship registration. Then for your articleship registration what you need to pay is rupees 2,000. Okay, then during your articleship only you need to undergo two training. First is your advanced ITT, which for which you need to pay 7,500, and second one is MCS, for which you need to pay 7,000. In total 14,500 rupees you need to pay. अब देखो अब सबसे बड़ा which is your dream comes true, right? है ना फ्रेंड्स, आपका भी सपना सच होने वाला है CA बनने का. तो उसके लिए आपको क्या पास करना है? CA फाइनल कोर्स. तो CA फाइनल कोर्स पास करने के लिए पहले रजिस्टर करना पड़ेगा. तो रजिस्टर करने के लिए व्हाट यू नीड टू पे इज रुपीज 22,000. ओके, एंड सेम फॉर एग्जामिनेशन. इफ यू अपीयर सिंगली देन यू हैव टू पे 1,800 फॉर ईच group, and if you appear both group then you need to pay only 3,300 rupees. ठीक है. Now for coaching classes it is my personal experience, and by doing all the researches what I am estimating is minimum or maximum what you estimate it is rupees 1,05,000 for which you need to pay for your coaching classes. CA final coaching classes is most expensive in all three stages, right? But as you know education is an investment, so do it. And final conclusion, conclusion is fixed fee which you need to pay for your ICI registration is approx rupees 1 lakh. It is not fully 1 lakh, 90,000 or something approx, but it is 1 lakh, which is minimal. What I said, minimal of all the professional courses in which you will incur, okay, or we will appear. It is minimal course, normally rupees 1 lakh. And coaching courses fees will depend upon your caliber, your preferences, or it depends upon how much benefit you want to take or how much classes you want to take. So with this I conclude my video. I hope you like it, and I hope you will enjoy it.